everyone, CJ here. Welcome back to our series on outsourcing industrial control panels. In our last episode, we talked about the benefits of outsourcing and how it can save you time, money, and headaches. Today, we're focusing on a critical step in the process, finding the right outsourcing partner. Not all companies are created equal, so let's talk about what we should be looked for when we're making this important decision. First, let's start with your experience. Your control panel partner should have a proven track record of designing and manufacturing panels for industries like yours. Look for someone who understands the unique challenges of your field and can offer solutions tailored to your needs. At Enercon, for example, we've worked with industries ranging from data centers to defense, so we know how to adapt to different requirements. Next, certifications and compliance are a must. A good partner will hold certifications like UL, ISO, or others that prove they meet industry standards. These certifications aren't just boxes to check, they're critical for ensuring safety, reliability, and long-term performance. Always ask for proof of certification. Another big factor is flexibility and scalability. Can the company handle both small, custom projects and large production runs? And can they scale with you as your needs grow? Whether you need a one-off solution or a full fleet of control panels, your partner should be able to adjust to your demands without compromising on quality or lead times. Then there's design and engineering support. You want more than just a manufacturer. You want a partner who can collaborate with your team to optimize designs, recommend improvements, and solve problems before they arise. This is where outsourcing really shines. At Enercon, our engineering team works closely with the clients to ensure their control panels are not only functional, but also efficient and cost-effective. Finally, don't forget about communication and reliability. Your outsourcing partner should be easy to reach, transparent about timelines, and proactive in keeping you updated. Clear communication can make or break a project, especially when deadlines are tight. At Enercon, we pride ourselves on being a true partner, not just a vendor. From our initial consultations to final delivery, we're here to make sure you get the right solution for your business. So, to recap, when choosing an outsourcing partner, look for experience, certifications, flexibility, design support, and clear communication. In the next episode, we'll dive into one of the most critical parts of outsourcing, the design phase. We'll talk about customization, standardization, and how to make sure you're getting exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.